welcome to our training on the video editing. Wow, it's one of the video of the training that I hardly take it, but of this time I have been putting a lot of energy and resources on it, and this time around, this first tutorial just going to come and review to us the course outline for this video editing with mobile phone. All right, so our training title, our course title is mastering video editing with CapCut on mobile. So it is a 15-day intensive editing course, and the training fee is 5,000 francs. So the more details there. So let's go straight to the course objective. So we have, by the end of this course, learners should be able to, the first objective there is that we have to understand the CapCut interface and features. Yes, it is a lot of like video editing, like all those editing that you are seeing in the movies, all those things that you are seeing. So it has a lot of interface there, and the interface and features which we need to understand. The second one is to perform basic to advanced video editing tasks. Good. We have to start from somewhere, starting from the basic one and to the real extent of which you can even edit a movie. So let's go to, we have the next objective. We have to add effects, transition, music, and text. Good. So in the process of it, we're going to see how to add transition, all those things. You see somebody disappearing, all those things. You see text appearing on videos, all those type of things. You see music playing. So those are that is one of our objectives. The next one that we'll be having is export and share professional look videos. Good. You share it and it looks somehow professional, not just like something that they will just see, what is this? All right, so our course is going to be divided into modules, and our first module have model 1, introduction to video editing and CapCut. We're going to be seeing what is the introduction, importance of video editing in content creation. We're also going to see introduction to CapCut, which is the application that we're going to be using for this for this tutorial, for this training. We're also going to be seeing installing CapCut on Android and iPhone. So we're going to see the real one, because they are not all that are, there are some that are not having the real feature. So we're going to be seeing the real one and how to install it. Will have the overview of the CapCut interface. Good. The interface, it has a lot of things there that you need to understand before it's going to take you directly. So we have model 2, importing and organizing media. Starting a new project. Good. You have already shoot a video, and there are some things there that you need to edit, you need to cut, you need to add, all those type of things. So we have starting a new project, importing videos, images, and audios. How we have to import them and put there, edit them, and all those type of things. We have timeline overview, organizing clips on the timeline. We have model 3, basic video editing. We have cutting, trimming, and splitting videos. Good. Cutting, you have places where there are some videos, there are some part of the video which you don't really need. You need to cut and trim them out, and splitting the videos and putting transition. We have imaging videos, taking different videos that you have already shot them and image them to look professionally, not you in such a way that you will not even know that these are videos that were shot in different places. Yeah, that is one thing that we don't, that even us that are watching movie, we don't understand that videos are being shot in different places. And then now we have now to immerse the clip, adjusting clip speed, slow motion, and fast moving. We are going to be seeing on how to add slow motions to our movie, how to make fast fast forward, like in places where you have to be like fast. We have cropping and rotating. Go to in some places where we have to crop and remove some places that are not needed, and rotating. We have resizing and background fill. We have to resize the video, and also have to change the background of the video to fit another one. Yeah, you understand that you can shot a video in Cameroon, but you can make the video to look as if it was shot in America, because of the background. So have model 4, adding transition and effect. What is transition? We're going to be seeing all those type of things. Apply intro video intro. Yes, when a video is just starting, you see those in Nigeria movies, you see those things, those letters that are always appearing when they want to introduce the film before going to the film. We have to show the members of the actors and the actresses that are into the film. That's also what we're going to be seeing. Applying transition amongst clip. Good. You see this type of part will reach, you reach like this, and to a certain level you see some type of transition that will help you to capture the mind of the audience. Also having adding filters and effects, that one is very clear. We have using keyframe animation. Good. Adding appearing and disappearing, which is very important, like in a Nigeria film where you see somebody appearing and disappearing, all those type of things, bad sounds and comedy sounds. In case you are going into more content creation, we also have model 5, text and title, adding text to video. Good. As the person is talking, the text are appearing. Choosing font, color and style. Good. The style that you want it to appear as the person is talking. Animating text, creating intro and extra title. Good. Using caption and subtitles. Good. As the person is talking, all those one is talking about adding letters and text. Our model 6 now will be talking about audio editing, adding background music. Good. Yes, the movies is showing and there's a sound or there's a movie that is playing behind, trimming and adjusting audio volume. How to adjust the volume. There are some places where the volume needs to be high, but as the person that will be in the video is talking, you need to understand that you need to lower the volume so that they should be hearing the person. Does all those type of things. Adding recording into it is either you can use an audio or you record. We have audio and with visual. We have, let's go straightly to model 7, advanced editing tool. Good. With the next first thing that we'll be going now, that is from the other one, from model 1 to model 6, we're going to be learning the basic trick. Now from model 7 now going down, we're going to go into advanced of it. Advanced editing tool, we have using overlay and pictures in pictures. Good. That one is where you see somebody's talking and it's like demonstrating something that is happening. I believe those of us that are watching comedy were mostly seeing them. Have chroma keys, green key effect. We have motion tricking, basic, all those type of tricking styles that you have been seeing in comedy. Adding stickers and emojis, whether you're just adding stickers. We have clothing effects and blue effects, like clothing effects, like causing yourself to be like in two. You alone, but you are making as if you are there are two of you. We have model 8, creating trading social media content, editing for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube short, using CapCut templates. There are some templates that we are going to be seeing there. Export setting for different platform. Good. This one is very, very important here when you are you are creating the video for particular, whether you want to use it for YouTube, Facebook or TikTok. Yes, each one has something. There's a trick there that you are going to use and that is going to fit. You cannot take a video that was edited to use for YouTube and you use it for Instagram. There's some part that are not going to be showing. We have using CapCut AI tools and auto caption. But we are going to see how to integrate CapCut with AI, adding substitutes and multiple languages. Good. You are speaking and you are seeing as it is appearing in different languages. You're going to say whether you want it to be translating in French, or you are speaking in English, the writing should be in French, or you are speaking in French, the writing should be in other languages. Let's go to model 9, exporting and sharing videos. Export setting, resolution, frame rate, view size. Good. We already talked something about that one. Saving project for future edit. You want to save your project so that you can either edit it later. Direct sharing to social media platform. After when you have already done it, you can share it directly. Best practices for name and storage. Good. We'll have model 10, final project and assessment. Learner create 1 to 2 minute edited videos. Must include transition, text, background, music, effect, all those things. We have peer or instructor review, certificate of completion. Good. So this training is a it's a 10 days to 15 days training, and it's going to take each section at least 30 minutes. All right, so those one that are interested in the training, let's jump straightly into the training. All right.